Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to solve the merge sort problem in data structures and algorithms. So here we are given with the list of elements. So first step is to name them. So we can name the list of elements as X. So you can use any variable, that may be A, B, C, anything you can use to name, because these steps are also having marks in the examinations. Now the next step is to write the index value. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 to 5 means what will be the length of the given array or the given list of elements. So the length n will be equal to 6, because 0 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the total length of the given list of elements or the array. Now, how to solve this merge sort problem means, this merge sort is a divide and conquer technique. Divide and conquer technique. So what we will be doing is, we will be dividing all the elements given in the list into single digits or the single elements. Then we will merge them and sort. So how we will sort means, we can sort them in the increasing order or in the decreasing order. So we will solve in both the orders in this video itself. Now I will be taking the same list of elements here. So now let's start with increasing order, that is the ascending order. 12, 11, 13, 5, 6 and 7. Now the first step is to divide. So how to divide means, so while dividing, if it is an even number, so let me consider I am having 2 elements. So what I will be doing, I will be separating them as 1 and 1. If I am having 4 elements, so what I will be doing, I will be separating them as 2 and 2, and here again 1 and 1, until there will be until all the elements are singly separated. We must separate them like this. If it is an odd number, for example, I will take it as 5. For example, it is a 5. So 5, what we will be doing is, we can't make them as 2.5, 2.5. So here at the left side, I will be taking one box extra or one element extra. 1, 2, 3. In the right hand side, we will be having 2. Like this. If it was 3 here, how I will divide? 2 will be for the left side and 1 will be for the right side. Here 2 are there. So 1 and 1, like this. So like this we must divide. So let's divide this one. So let's divide this given problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are there. So just divide 3 and 3. So first 3 will be here. 12, 11, 13. Next 3. 5, 6, 7. Next 3 elements are there. 3 elements means odd number. In odd number condition, what you will be doing? You will be taking one element extra in the left hand side. So 12, 11, 13 will be here. Next 5, 6, 7 will be for the right hand side. Now you are having 2 elements. So you must divide until all the elements are singly listed. So this is 12, 11, 13 is single, next 5 and 6. So 5, 6, 7 is single. Now dividing is over. Next we will be applying conquering technique. While applying the conquering technique, we will apply the merge sort. Sort means arrangement, that is arranging the list of elements or given elements. Here we are doing the increasing or the ascending order sorting in the merge sort itself. So what we will be doing? Sorting the elements in the increasing order. Now let's merge them. 12 and 11, because 12 and 11 belong to same parent. So 12 and 11, while merging them, we must write them in the increasing order. First 11 will come, next 12. 11, 12, 13. All three are the child of the same parent. So this merged one and 13 will be merged again. Write them in the increasing order. 11, 12 and 13. Here 5 and 6 are the child of same parent. So 5 5, 6. Next 5, 6, 7 are the childs of same parent. So 5, 6, 7. Write them in the increasing order. Now this 11, 12, 13, 5, 6, 7 all are the children of the same parent. So what you will be doing? You will be merging both of them. So in the increasing order, who will come first? 5, next 6, next 7, next 11, 12 and 13. So this is the final answer. So what you did? You sorted the given list of elements in the increasing order, that is using the merge sort. Now let's see how to sort the same problem using the decreasing order sorting. So what were the elements? So the elements were 12, 11, 13, 5, 6 and 7. Same thing we will be applying. First let's divide, then let's conquer. So total how many numbers are there? 3 plus 3, 6. So 6 means you can divide them as 3 and 3. 12, 11, 13. You must divide in the same order itself. Next 5, 6, 7. 3 elements means 2 elements for the left hand side and 1 element for the right hand side. That is 13. Here 5, 6, 7. So you must divide until all the elements are separately listed. So 12, 11, 13 is singly listed. Next this is for 5 and this is 6. Now we must arrange or sort them in the decreasing order using the merge sort. So what we will be doing is, so now 12 and 11 belong to same parent. So let's merge them. While merging, in the increasing order we sorted or arranged them in the increasing order. Now while merging we will be writing them in the decreasing order. So the first will be bigger one, 12, next 11. 12, 11, 13 belong to same parent. So I will merge them. First 13, 12, 11. We must write them in the decreasing order. Next 5 and 6 belong to same parent. So first 6 will come, next 5. 5, 6 and 7 belong to same parent. First 7, next 6, next 5. Here both these elements, which are both this list of elements, belong to the same parent. So what I will be doing? I will be merging them in the decreasing order. First 13, 12, 11, 7, 6, 5. So this completes the problem of the decreasing order merge sorting. So hope you understood how to solve the merge sort algorithm problem using the divide and conquer technique very easily. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please do comment below. I will clarify it. And if you liked the video, please subscribe and support us, because your one support motivates us to make more engineering related topics. So while dividing, keep it in mind. So when there are even number of elements, we will divide them equally. And when there are odd number of elements, one element will be extra for the left hand side. Like that, simple.